Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Tur Hidayat. This time I will explain to how to configuration management service. The management service is used to improve router security because we can change to default login for each service. The service in question in the remote login service. In addition, management service can also limit users who can log in remotely the MikroTik with the available feature. How to configure management service? The first step, configuration management service. You can log in MikroTik, login with Winbox, and open new terminal and check IP service type IP service then. By default, the MikroTik can be remote in many ways. For security reasons, we can change the default port used to log in with VWAN. Here I will give an example of change the default Winbox port with the command IP service edit number and Winbox number 6 value name and your change port value name port your change port using your port your like port. I am using 2121. Click Ctrl O to save and quit. And then change the default port to what you want. After checking again whether the port has changed with the command IP service print and Winbox port 2121. If the port has changed, do the remote again using Winbox. Open again Winbox and login with IP address and add port 2121 and click connect. If success, the session display the IP and port used and set available from. Available from use the to grant login right to a specific IP that is in the same network with the IP router. Make edit in the address section on the Winbox service with the command IP service edit Winbox value name edit Winbox value name address and your address fill in the IP address that is on a router with the IP router. IP router is the network IP router 192.168.88.0, and you can add 192.168.88.10 and click Ctrl or to save and check IP service your change. IP service print and your log Winbox port 2121 and address 192.168.88.10/32 because one user in login Winbox using an IP address. Then your open Winbox to login. Winbox and try login. You cannot do login because you not IP address in the computer. Click Enter to connect on router MikroTik and click right, click property and choose Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 and use the following IP address your change IP address with IP address your add on Winbox before IP address and using 192.168.88.10 and click OK. You are open Winbox again and click cancel and click connect again and your success login. We also add some IP that can log in using Winbox and the configuration and finish. Thank you.